All right, another feature that you may or may not know about in GoHighLevel is the ability to validate SMS phone numbers. And why would you want to do that is so that you don't send segments or text messages consistently to an invalid number that will result in text message costs that's not necessary. So when a text message or a phone number gets added to the system and a text message goes out, the system will make sure or validate that it's a legitimate or a valid phone number. And if it's not, then it will trigger it to do not disturb for that phone number for text message. All right. So to show how that feature can be activated or set up, let's go share my screen and let's get to it. All right. So the first situation we're going to look at is if you're still utilizing Twilio, and so we're going to go into the agency under phone integration, and whichever sub account is still utilizing Twilio, you want to go and click this edit button. And when you click on that edit button, you're going to have the option here, validate phone numbers when contact is created. Now, just a note here, there is an additional cost associated with validating phone numbers, which is 0.005. Now, this is probably a lot better than if you were to consistently send text message to an invalid number. Now, in the case where you're using LeadConnector, which I totally recommend for a specific sub account, then for that specific sub account in their business profile under settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see where it says validate phone numbers when first SMS is sent to a new contact. And as you can see here, it says the standard price is 0.005 cents. So you just want to make sure that you click on that and then you go and click update, and that will make sure that when the first SMS is sent out, it will validate it. So you may or may not have known about this feature, but now you do. So make sure that you're sending out to SMS numbers that are valid and not landlines. All right. Until next time, bye now.